Hi everybody, this is Benedek here with another tech tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can retrieve your forgotten Wi-Fi password on a macOS system. Alright, go to Launchpad and search for the terminal, open this up, and you will have to do one single command, and this command will be down in the description section of my video, so you can copy and paste this and here we go, security find generic password -ga, and now you have to put in the name of your Wi-Fi, so mine will be this one, and then pipe grep passwords, and now I have to authorize and put in my username and password, and after I authorize my password for the Wi-Fi will be shown up here, and there we go, boom, my password is here. So that this is how you can retrieve your Wi-Fi password which was stored on macOS. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel not to miss any further tech tips, and have an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are. Be safe out there. Bye bye.